The shock of losing a home and a business, the grief of losing someone, it's happening right before the holidays. We're going to make sure that you have all the help you need. To all the families here, keep the faith. We're going to get this done. I promise you, the governor's not walking away, your county judge is not walking away, your congressman's not walking away, no one's walking away. We're in this for the long haul. I promise you. You're going to heal, we're going to recover, you're going to rebuild, you're going to be stronger than you were before. We're going to build back better than it was.